The Indian Embassy in Spain announced that Ambassador Dinesh K. Patnaik, accompanied by senior Indian Air Force officials, formally received the last Airbus C295 military transport aircraft at the Airbus Defence and Space Facility in Seville. This event marks the completion of the initial delivery phase under India's 2021 defence contract with Airbus for 56 tactical airlifters. The first 16 planes were manufactured in Spain, with the final aircraft delivered 2 months ahead of schedule, a testament to Airbus' adherence to timelines and India's commitment to rapidly modernizing its air mobility fleet. The C295 is set to replace the venerable HS-748 Avro fleet, which has been in service since the 1960s. The Airbus C295 is designed for tactical missions, capable of transporting 71 soldiers or up to 9.2 tons of cargo, optimized especially for border and high-altitude operations. Production of the remaining 40 C295 units will take place domestically at Tata Advanced Systems Limited, TASL, in partnership with Airbus, marking a historic milestone as the first military aircraft to be fully manufactured by India's private sector. A new assembly line is under construction in Vadodara, Gujarat, expected to be operational by late 2025. Airbus is transferring full technology and manufacturing expertise, facilitating local production of over 14,000 components and fostering a skilled workforce. The program supports the government's Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat initiatives, promising to generate more than 15,000 direct and indirect jobs in defense aerospace across hubs such as Hyderabad, Bengaluru, and Nagpur. Technically, the C295 is among the most advanced medium tactical airlifters currently produced globally. Equipped with 2 Pratt & Whitney PW127G turboprop engines, it excels in high-altitude and hot climate environments, critical for India's northern and northeastern borders. The aircraft's payload capacity of 9,250 kilograms allows it to transport troops, vehicles, or cargo pallets. It features a rear cargo ramp for quick loading/unloading and supports airborne troop deployment, including paratroopers. With an operational range surpassing 2,300 kilometers and a cruising speed near 480 kilometers per hour, the C295 can operate from short, unprepared airstrips as brief as 670 meters, vital for missions in remote, rugged terrain. Its multi-role flexibility extends to medical evacuation, electronic warfare, search and rescue, and maritime patrol duties, enhancing the Indian Air Force's operational versatility. This platform offers a substantial upgrade over the HS-748 Avro it replaces. The Avro, a 1950s-era British design, carries only about 5,800 kilograms and lacks modern features such as a rear loading ramp or advanced avionics. Unlike the Avro, the C295 boasts a digital glass cockpit, enhanced mission systems compatible with night and electronic warfare operations, and superior short takeoff and landing (STOL) capabilities. Its rugged design and rapid reconfiguration options meet contemporary tactical and humanitarian needs far beyond the older platform's scope. The strategic importance of the C295's induction is underscored by India's tense geopolitical landscape. Along the western border, despite a ceasefire with Pakistan, recent escalations have heightened security concerns with ongoing militant activity and skirmishes. Concurrently, India faces a protracted military standoff with China in eastern Ladakh, where infrastructure build-up and forward deployments remain intense. China's growing air power and its alliance with Pakistan create a two-front security challenge demanding agile and rapid military logistics and deployment. In this context, the C295 significantly boosts India's ability to project forces quickly and sustain operations in difficult terrain, particularly near forward bases such as Dalit Beg Oldi, Nyoma, and advanced landing grounds in Arunachal Pradesh. It fills a critical gap between smaller aircraft like the Dornier Do-228 and heavier platforms like the C-130J Super Hercules, supporting tiered air mobility for diverse military and humanitarian missions. Enhanced intertheater transport, airborne operations, and disaster response capabilities strengthen India's readiness against both external threats and internal crises. Beyond tactical utility, the C295 program positions India as an emerging defense aerospace manufacturing hub and potential exporter. With interest from countries in Southeast Asia, Africa, and Latin America, India's production could serve as a model for cost-effective, reliable tactical airlift solutions, backed by a strong local industrial base and global supply networks. This aligns with India's broader defense diplomacy goals, blending self-reliance with strategic soft power. The C295 Induction also reflects a matured Indian defense procurement approach prioritizing long-term capability building, domestic production, and international partnerships over off-the-shelf buys. As assembly ramps up in Vadodara, India strengthens its sovereignty in defense technology and takes a firm step toward becoming a significant player in the global aerospace sector.